Module 1. Getting started.
In the information age, personal branding is necessary for the success of any company or individual. Failing to manage personal branding can lead to misinformation about you or your company becoming public. Taking control of your public image is no longer an option. Identifying and using the tools that affect personal branding correctly will ensure that the public sees the image you want them to see. A positive brand is necessary for success. Course objectives. Research has consistently demonstrated that when clear goals are associated with learning, it occurs more easily and rapidly. With that in mind, let's review our goals for today. At the end of this workshop, you should be able to 1. Define your image. 2. Control your image. 3. Understand how to sharpen your brand. 4. Use social media appropriately. 5. Manage your brand in a crisis. 6. Develop a professional appearance.